morning, children. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start our next chapter, chapter number 10, Understanding Our Body. Now let us start question answer session. Fill in the blanks with suitable words. First, fill in the blank. Our body gets shape from dash. Answer is bones. Bones and cartilage from the skeleton of the human body. It gives the frame and shape to the body and helps in movement. It protects the inner organs. Next, fill in the blank. The place where two bones join is called dash. Answer is joint. The place where two or more bones come together is called a joint. The bones at a joint are held together by strong bands of tissue called ligaments, which allow the bones to move. Next, fill in the blank. Our heart and lungs are protected by the dash. Answer is rib cage. Our lungs are in our chest and are so big that they take up most of the space in there. We have two lungs, but they aren't the same size the way our eyes or nostrils are. Instead, the lung on the left side of our body is a bit smaller than the lung on the right. This extra space on the left leaves room for our heart. Our lungs are protected by rib cage, which is made up of 12 sets of ribs. Next, fill in the blank. The fluid in our mouth is called dash. Answer is saliva. Saliva is a clear liquid that's made in our mouth 24 hours a day, every day. It's made up of mostly water with a few other chemicals. The slippery stuff is produced by the salivary glands. Next, fill in the blank. Our kidneys are shaped like dash. Answer is bean. The kidneys are very important organ in the body. They are two bean-shaped organs, each about the size of a fist, located just below the rib cage, one on each side of our spine. The kidneys are responsible for getting rid of waste products, drugs and toxins through our urine. Next, fill in the blank. We are able to move all parts of body with the help of dash. Answer is muscles. The brain sends signals via the nervous system, including the spinal cord and nerves, to the muscles. The muscles then contract to create movement. Muscles pull on the joints, allowing us to move. Next, fill in the blank. Sweat comes to the surface of the skin through tiny dash. Answer is pores. Sweat is made in sweat glands under the surface of the skin. It comes out of tiny holes in the skin called pores. Sweat is mostly water, but it also contains some salts. The sweat takes the heat from the body when it evaporates, so helps to lower the body temperature. Sweating also rids the body of excess water and some waste products. Next, fill in the blanks. The eyes are protected in front by the dash. Answer is eyelids. Eyes are also protected by tears, which moisten them and clean out dirt, dust, and other irritants that get past the defenses of the eyelashes and eyelids. Tears also help protect against infection. With each blink, our eyelids spread a layer of mucus, oil, and tears over the cornea, which covers the front of the eye. Next, fill in the blank. Messages travel to and from the brain along tiny cords called dash. Answer is neurons. These are the building blocks of our brain. Neurons communicate with each other by sending chemical and electrical signals. There are about 100 million neurons in the human brain. Chemical electrical signals travel down the neurons much as flame travels along a firecracker fuse. The main difference is that the neuron can fire over and over again hundreds of times in a minute. Next, fill in the blank. Food and oxygens are carried to all parts of the body by dash. Answer is blood. All the parts of our body need a supply of blood. This red sticky liquid carries food and oxygen to every part of our body. The heart and its network of blood vessels are called the circulatory system. Next, fill in the blank. Blood flows in the body through tubes that are called dash. Answer is blood vessels. Blood moves through many tubes called arteries and veins, which together are called blood vessels. The blood vessels that carry blood away from the heart are called arteries. The ones that carry blood back to the heart are called veins. Next, fill in the blank. The average human body contains dash liters of blood. Answer is 4.7 to 5.5 liters. The average adult human carries roughly 5 liters of blood. This number fluctuates depending on height, weight, and muscle mass. Scientists estimate the volume of blood in a human to be approximately 7% of body weight. An average adult with a weight of 150 to 180 pounds will contain approximately 1.2 to 1.5 gallons of blood. Fun fact: there are about 1 billion red blood cells in 2 or 3 drops of blood. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.